how you can withdraw from Binance to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw from Binance to bank account. In order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that the account is verified. If not, then you'll not be able to proceed on. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log into your Binance account. Once logged in, click the logo from the top left hand side corner, and while you're on this page, scroll down a bit and then go to more services. Then you need to scroll down a bit and go to withdraw fiat, and as you click on it, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see this option as whether you want to do P2P express or bank transfer. So click on bank transfer since you want to go with bank transfer, and click the continue button. Then to begin with the procedure, you have to enter in the destination address, that is the account number and all that, enter an exact amount whatsoever, accordingly change the currency type and all that, and you'll be notified with the statement that you successfully withdrawn from Binance to bank account. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.